How to stay relevant in your career when skills expire faster than ever. Why skills go obsolete so quickly. Technology cycles are shortening. Tools evolve faster than training programs. What's in demand today may be outdated tomorrow. The real problem: chasing tools. Many professionals chase trending tools. This creates short-term relevance but long-term fragility. Build learning systems, not just skills. Don't rely on one-time learning. Build a repeatable learning process. Learn, apply, reflect, update. What actually compounds? Foundational understanding compounds. Systems thinking compounds. Problem framing compounds. Tools don't compound. They expire. Shift from certificates to capability. Certificates show exposure. Capability shows adaptability. Learn how to learn. The meta skill is learning itself. Fast learners outlast fast adopters. Position for change, not stability. Stable roles change. Adaptable people stay relevant. The career edge: those who build learning systems stay relevant longer than those who chase every new tool.